Hi there, and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we'll be learning area of plane shapes. We'll be learning to find the area of plane shapes, and we're learning about triangles. Okay, so we'll be learning to find the area of triangles. Now, as the lesson progresses, anything you don't understand, be sure to contact your tutor, who would be more than happy to help. Now, let's jump right into the lesson. So, area of plane shapes, area of triangles. Now, in the last lesson, we talked about the area of rectangles. Okay, this lesson we're going to be talking about the area of triangles. Actually, really easy finding the area of a triangle. Okay, there's a slight relationship between triangles and rectangles, and we're going to explain that to you now. So here's a rectangle. Okay, and then basically, I'm going to split this rectangle along its diagonal. Okay, so I'm just going to split this rectangle, and if you look closely, you'd find that we have two triangles. We have two triangles in a rectangle. Okay, and basically, if you recall, we have the size of a rectangle as length and breadth. Okay, but this time I'm just going to call them base and height. Okay, it's pretty much the same thing. Okay, so length and breadth, but I'm going to call this one base and height. Okay, and if you look, basically, if you're looking to find the area of this rectangle, you have base times height. Okay, and then what if I ask you to find the area of one of those triangles, one of the triangles there? It would be half of the area of the rectangle. So it would be half base times height. And that's it. Basically, the area of a triangle is half base times height. So if you have if you have triangles like this, okay, and given the height, just remember that you have half of a rectangle is a triangle, and basically the area of a triangle is half times base times height. So the triangle could be right angled, like the first one we have there, or you could have a regular triangle like the second one. The formula remains the same. It's area equals half 1 over 2 times base times height, or base times height divided by 2. You could just multiply the base and the height and then divide the result by 2, and that will give you the area of a triangle. Example, find the area of the triangle below. Okay, we have 7 centimeters base, okay, and 6 centimeters height. And then we're just going to go area equals half times base times height. Half 1 over 2 times 7 times 6. Okay, 7 times 6 is 42 divided by 2. We have 21. So our area in this case is 21 centimeters squared. Simple. Another example, example 1, we have find the area of a right angle triangle of base 8 centimeters and height 5 centimeters. So it doesn't matter whether it's a right angle triangle or a regular triangle, the formula remains the same. So we have triangle, base is 8 centimeters, height is 5 centimeters, and we have area equals half base times height. We have base as 8 centimeters, we have height as 5 centimeters. Okay, and basically we're just going to multiply the 2 and divide by 2. Now 8 times 5 is 40, divided by 2 we have 20 centimeters squared. Simple. That's it. Okay, very simple, very straightforward. Let's move on. Example 2. In example 2, we have that find the area of a triangular surface of base 11 meters and height 8 meters. So remember, we're just going to multiply the 2 and divide by 2. We have our triangle, base 11 centimeters, height 8 centimeters, 11 meters, height 8 meters. And area is half base times height. Base is 11 meters, height is 8 meters. Okay, and basically we have half times 11 times 8, and we have 44 meters squared. Okay, because basically 11 times 8 is 88, divided by 2 we have 44. Simple. Final example, find the height of a triangle if the base is 12 centimeters long and the area of the triangle is 54 centimeters squared. Okay, so we're given the area and we're given the base and we're looking to find the height. Okay, so here's how you do it. Alright, so we have the area is half base times height. We know that our area is 54, our base is 12 centimeters. We're looking to find the height. So we have that 54 is half times 12 times height. Okay, we have that 54, half of 12 is 6. So we have 54 equals 6 times height. Now 6 times something equals 54. Basically, height would be 54 divided by 6. And we have our height as 9 centimeters. Very simple, very straightforward. This has to be the easiest lesson ever. Okay. And you can now go ahead and attempt questions on the worksheet. Bye for now.